Good morning, friends. This is me, PHANISWAR sir, from CSR IAS Academy. My dear friends, regular continue classes of Andhra Pradesh economy. So today in this class, I am going to discuss about the farmer suicide. Farmer suicide in this class. See, my friends, according to National Crime Record Bureau. So National Crime Record Bureau, it is the one of the organization work under the central government, that is the Home Department of the India. So its head office and New Delhi. So the bureau, Union Home Ministry, it is work as under the ministry. This the National Crime Bureau report 2022, according to National Crime Bureau report 2022, in the farmer suicide data is released. So first, record bureau, this crime record bureau work under the home ministry of the central government. So this crime record bureau released his report for 2022 year. According to that report, so counting the suicides, government will be consider farmers and farmer laborers. That is concentrate here in this report farmers and agriculture labor also. Here the word, so farmer labor means agriculture labor. In the year of 2022, the total suicides were 11,290 members. 11,290 members are total suicide. So in Andhra Pradesh, that is the according to Crime Record Bureau, in the year of 2022. So total suicides were 11,219, of which 53% here you observe the 53% of were agriculture labor. So total number of farmer suicide in the year of 22 means that is the 11.290 members, 11,290 members. Out of that 11,290 members, 53%, this 53% were agriculture labor. So how much agriculture labor means? 53% of agriculture labor suicide. So you observed here, you concentrate highest suiciding cases. Highest suicided categories is only agriculture labor. So this agriculture labor suiciding more than 50%, that is the exactly 53% agriculture labor suicide in the year of 22. Then there has been an increase in the suicide cases. The terms of suicide ranks. So which state is highest rank in suicides, etc., etc. Then the first rank goes to in suicide, that is the Maharashtra. In the terms of suicide rank, the first place goes to Maharashtra, second place goes to Karnataka, and third place goes to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the third place in suicide. So in suicide cases of the farmers, according to National Crime Bureau. So National Crime Bureau, according to National Crime Bureau, the terms of the suicide cases, Maharashtra 1, Karnataka 2, and Andhra Pradesh is rank 3. Now our Andhra Pradesh is third rank. Our Andhra Pradesh is third rank in suicide cases. It was observed that of the total suicide cases, majority of the will fall under the marginal and small scale. So look here, gentlemen, the highest people totally, so 11,290 farmers are suicide in the particular year, that is the 2022, according to National Crime Bureau. Out of this 2,090, so 53% agriculture labor. So here you observe marginal farmers, marginal small scale farmer, and tenant farmers. tenant farmers, the majority of them will follow. So majority of suicide cases, cases only in three categories, that is the marginal farmers, small scale farmers and tenant farmers. Tenant farmers in Telugu kaulu raitulu antaru. Marginal farmer, small scale farmers. So this is the according to crime report. So reasons for the suicide. సో సుసైడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి కారణాలు ఏంటి? ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ది డెబిట్ బర్డన్. సో ఫార్మర్స్ ఫేసింగ్ ది డెబిట్ బర్డన్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ as well as India also, particularly so who are under the cultivation of below 1 hectare, that is that means marginal, small scale and tenant farmers. Highest suicide farmers facing the debit problem, one is the marginal farmers, second one is tenant farmers, third one is small scale farmers. Highest percentage of suicides, these three categories only. These three categories is more than 53%. That is the particularly the 53% agriculture labor. 53% agriculture labor suicided. In this 53% agriculture labor, highest percentage goes to tenant farmers only. Highest percentage goes to tenant farmers. Remaining two farmers, that is the marginal, tenant and small. This three category is the highest facing the suicide cases, highest from the suicide cases in three. After that, the first one is the debit burden. After that, family problems. So crop failure, ill health, drugs and alcohol. These are the problems for the farmer suicide. Look here, gentlemen, the debit burden. So it is a little bit of burden, but government some safeguards and securities are there. Some mitigation strategies, government follow the measures and mitigation strategies for the debit burden. But with the family problems, government cannot do anything regarding to family problems. Crop failure, yes, this crop failure also government measure to the some steps. Ill health, drugs and alcohol, that are the reasons for the farmer suicide. After that, measures to be taken. Basically, this measure to be taken from the government side. So these measures to be taken from the government sides. Government taking these measures, that is the consolidation of land holdings. Consolidation of land holdings అంటే ఏంటంటే చిన్న చిన్న ల్యాండ్ హోల్డింగ్స్ కాక అన్నిటినీ దగ్గరికి చేర్చి ఒక పెద్ద ల్యాండ్ హోల్డింగ్ ని తయారు చేయమనండి. ఇన్ నౌ ఎట్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా, దిస్ ఈస్ ది పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ల్యాండ్ హోల్డింగ్స్. But here the solution says the consolidation of the land holding. So this consolidation of land holding means like this one. So this is the consolidation of land holding. అంటే ఒకే ల్యాండ్ ఉండేటట్లుగా చేయడం. Then cooperative joint farming. This cooperative joint farming nothing but of the cooperative agriculture. So cooperative agriculture, one for all for one. So one for all for one is the Kasim of the slogan of the cooperative agriculture. Then agriculture literature to the farmers. So modern agriculture practices. Look here, gentlemen, here 80% of Indian farmers doing the conventional agriculture activities, traditional agriculture activities. The people cannot interest to any, so like this one, moderate agriculture activities. So this 80% of the people always doing the traditional activities and conventional agriculture. After that, lab to land nexus. This lab to land nexus is government activities. Government do the create the some high yield varieties. After that, providing the credit facilities to tenant farmers. Yes, the one and only the Andhra Pradesh government provide credit facilities for the tenant loans. The first and one and only Andhra Pradesh. So after that, agriculture insurance. Yes, central government and all states governments provided agriculture insurances. So this is the one of the strategy and one of the measure to be taken from the government side. That is the crop insurance scheme. number of crop insurance schemes are there. After that, agriculture credit. So government provided agriculture credit and provided loan weaver schemes also. Government provided agriculture credit and loan weaver schemes also. After that, adoption the micro irrigation practices. Adoption the micro irrigation process. So today also in that one, that what is that one? The irrigation facility is not sufficient for agriculture and agriculture crops. So after that, better marketing facilities. This is the necessity for the farmers. Better marketing facility. Today in markets, completely commission agents dominated farmers. Commission agents dominated to the farmers. అంటే మార్కెటింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ గవర్నమెంట్ కల్పించినప్పటికీ కూడా చదువురాని కారణంగా రైతులను మధ్యవర్తులు మా కమిషన్ ఏజెంట్స్ మోసం చేస్తున్నారు. ఆ తర్వాత స్టోరేజ్ అండ్ వేర్ హౌస్ ఫెసిలిటీస్. సో ద వేర్ హౌస్ గోడౌన్స్ అండ్ స్టోరేజ్. దిస్ వేర్ హౌస్ అండ్ స్టోరేజ్ గోడౌన్స్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ది big farmers and medium farmers, but small scale and marginal farmers so cannot use this one. Government doing the separate for that people. Here the storage capacity or warehouse capacity for so quantity of the rice, that is the more than 5 quintals or 10 quintals, but the marginal people cultivated so produced is only bags in bags, it's not size than quintals. So measures taken by the government. So these are the mitigation strategies, but government taken steps in this, and that means in Andhra Pradesh government, which type of steps taken by the control the farmers, suicides, etc., etc. In 2004, central government appointed a very important commission, that is the Jaiti Ghosh commission. So జైతి ఘోష్ కమిషన్ ఆత్మహత్యలను విచారించడం కొరకు 2004లో కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం వారు జైతి ఘోష్ కమిషన్ అపాయింట్ చేశారు. సో ఇన్ 2024 స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ అపాయింటెడ్ జైతి ఘోష్ కమిషన్ or Jaiti Ghosh Commission. This committee has submitted his report within 284 recommendations. Within the 284 recommendations, one of the major recommendation was provide the institutional credit facility to the tenant farmers. Look here, gentlemen, Jaiti Ghosh committee, this commission give the 208 institutionalization credit facilities to tenant farmers. So here provide institutional credit facility to tenant farmer. Here you must know the basic. So what are the sources for the credit in India? Credit sources. Look here, gentlemen, two types of credit sources are there. Two types of credit sources are there. One is non-institutionalization sources. Non-institutionalization